dove acchiappata per il gioco insomma e lasciato
Yeah, they pop up. We yeah, walked around Niche for a little bit, and then we didn't get to eat okonomiyaki. We didn't get to eat.
Oh, you didn't eat?
So when we came back, because I think we went out what Saturday night. We tried to go, but it was so crowded everywhere. So
What about Miyashima? Did you guys go on the ropeway? Or you guys went to the top?
we didn't go all the way to the top. Because we gotta walk,
Oh, yeah.
hike like
Yeah.
30 minutes. And
時
then
間乗り場
we'll
か
do
ら
that.
10時15分の発車までお待ちください。
But it was good we stayed overnight because yeah, man, like
Crowded.
to go to the shrine, the
Yeah.
line was like
Oh,
would
for
have
real?
taken like 2 hours I think to
Oh,
get
you
in the
kidding?
line.
Oh, is that bad?
Yeah,
ご
and
乗
then
車
it
ありが
opened
とうござい
6:30,
ま
yeah,
し
so
た。
we just woke up early and then we
Wow.
went and nobody was there.
Yeah.
And then
Even the ropeway line
Yeah.
is long afterwards.
the ropeway
We got
it opened at 9, so we got there about 10, and then had a short line, but when we were leaving the line was